Before we begin this video, we have an airdrop program where the first 20 lucky viewers will receive an airdrop of 10 XRP tokens. To participate, all you need to do is register an account on the WEX exchange using the registration link in the description and watch the entire video to get password. Simply comment your UID of the registered WEX account, the password from this video, and your BEP20 wallet address in the comment section below the video. Good luck to everyone. Imagine waking up one day to find the entire financial system has changed without you even noticing. The way money moves, the power dynamics, everything is shifting. Ripple and XRP at the heart of this transformation, leading a revolution that's reshaping global finance. This isn't just another trend, it's a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Stick around as we uncover the secrets of this seismic shift and what it means for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the financial system you've always known has completely changed without you even noticing. That's exactly what's happening right now. We're standing on the edge of a monumental shift in the global financial system. It's happening all around us, yet almost 90% of the world remains unaware, no research, no understanding, and no preparation for what's coming. What's even more astonishing, this isn't just another small adjustment or trend, it's a once-in-a-lifetime transformation that could redefine how the world's money moves. And at the center of this groundbreaking change lies Ripple and XRP. Here at MMO Crypto, we're diving deep into what this means, how it impacts you, and why Ripple and XRP are uniquely positioned to lead this revolution. Are you ready to uncover the role of Ripple and XRP in this financial upheaval? Stick around, because this is something you absolutely can't afford to miss. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to MMO Crypto to stay ahead in understanding this massive financial shift. Let's uncover what's really happening behind the scenes. How do we stay optimistic in the ever-changing world of crypto? Let's dive into some solid reasons to keep the faith. Welcome to MMO Crypto, the channel where we uncover the truths and opportunities shaping the future of digital finance. If you're new here, we're excited to have you, and by the end of this video, you'll see why this is your go-to source for understanding the crypto revolution. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating perspective from subjective views, highlighting 7 compelling reasons why the crypto industry could skyrocket in the next 24 months. These insights are more than just hopeful predictions, they're rooted in the tangible developments happening across the financial world. Ready to see why the next 2 years could redefine the crypto landscape? Let's get started. I think the crypto market is all doom and gloom. Think again, here's why the future might just surprise you. First things first, don't take this as advice to hodl your bags for 24 months. In fact, with market cycles showing signs of a potential bear market, it's crucial to stay alert and prepared. Now, onto the 7 reasons why the next 2 years could be pivotal for crypto. Leadership changes at the SEC. By January 20th, Gary Gensler is expected to leave his position at the SEC. His departure could signal a new, more favorable regulatory environment. Pro-crypto policies on the rise. In the US, crypto adoption is growing, and nations worldwide are doubling down on efforts to become crypto hubs. This global push for integration is undeniable. Appointment of a crypto czar. Leadership in crypto policy is becoming a priority, potentially leading to more structured support for the industry. Digital payment systems gaining traction. These systems have been steadily growing for years and are poised to take center stage in global financial infrastructure. Classification of cryptos as commodities. Key cryptocurrencies could soon be classified as commodities under the CAC. This clarity could open doors for broader institutional involvement. The Stablecoin Act in Congress. With a potential launch date on the horizon, this act could further cement stablecoins' role in financial markets, particularly the RLUSD. Institutional capital waiting on the sidelines. Trillions of dollars in institutional capital are ready to flow into the crypto market as soon as regulatory clarity is achieved. With these shifts on the horizon, isn't it time to start planning your short, mid, and long-term crypto strategies? The financial environment is evolving rapidly, and staying ahead means understanding how these developments can impact you and your investments. Ever wondered who's paving the way in this financial revolution? It's time to talk about Ripple and XRP. The global financial system is undergoing a seismic shift. For the first time, we're seeing widespread efforts to accept, adopt, and integrate groundbreaking technologies into the very fabric of how money moves worldwide. As this transformation unfolds, one thing is clear: regulatory clarity is on the horizon. With this clarity, institutional adoption will follow on a scale we've never seen before. At the forefront of this revolution stands Ripple. For over a decade, Ripple has been leveraging the XRP ledger to connect with institutions, big banks, and major financial players. They've established themselves as leaders in this space. And here's the kicker: XRP already has regulatory clarity in many jurisdictions, putting it miles ahead of the competition. With Ripple and XRP blazing the trail, are you ready to see how this will shape the financial world? Ripple isn't just participating in the game, they're redefining it, one innovation at a time. Crypto adoption is no longer a niche trend, it's going global. Even the skeptics are now joining the movement. A fascinating shift is happening worldwide. Countries that were once staunchly anti-crypto are now opening their doors to this revolutionary technology. What's driving this change? It's simple: the undeniable growth in interest, adoption, and the clear potential for crypto to reach mainstream acceptance. The narrative has shifted, and nations are realizing they can no longer afford to stay on the sidelines. SWIFT, the backbone of global financial messaging, is positioning itself to integrate digital assets into its infrastructure. This move signals that even the most traditional systems are adapting to the crypto revolution. When even historically anti-crypto nations are turning bullish, what does that mean for the future of digital finance? The wave of crypto adoption is unstoppable, and the global financial ecosystem is evolving faster than ever. Imagine a world where digital assets flow seamlessly through the same network that connects 11,000 financial institutions. That's not the future, it's happening now. SWIFT, the cornerstone of global banking, is stepping into the digital era. With its network of over 11,000 financial institutions, SWIFT is already a powerhouse in traditional finance. But what's even more exciting is what's next. Starting next year, SWIFT will enable financial institutions across the globe to trial live digital asset and currency transactions on its network. This isn't just a test, it's a pivotal moment in merging traditional systems with the fast-evolving world of blockchain and digital currencies. What does this mean for you? A more connected, efficient, and innovative financial system powered by digital assets. With SWIFT bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain technology, we're looking at a future where digital assets are no longer the outliers, they're part of the system. Could a currency war redefine the global financial system? Let's explore how Trump's response to BRICS could accelerate a financial revolution. Breaking news has sent shockwaves through the global financial community. President-elect Trump has issued a stark warning to BRICS nations, stating they will face 100% tariffs if they dare to create a new currency to challenge the US dollar. This bold statement highlights a significant power struggle brewing in the international financial system. On one side, you have the United States defending its long-standing dominance with the US dollar as the world's reserve currency. On the other, BRICS nations are rapidly advancing plans for a new currency system backed by hard assets and designed to reduce dependence on the US dollar. But let's unpack what this means in practical terms. Why is Trump's reaction so important? This isn't just about tariffs, it's about the global financial hierarchy. The US dollar's dominance allows America to wield significant influence in international trade and finance. A successful alternative from BRICS could undermine this power, forcing the US to take dramatic steps to maintain its position. What does this mean for BRICS nations? BRICS, now more than just 5 countries, has expanded significantly, gaining support from nations seeking a system less dependent on the dollar. These countries are pooling resources, building alliances, and preparing to challenge the current financial norms. This movement isn't just a symbolic gesture. It's a calculated effort to reshape how global trade operates. Could Trump's tariffs backfire, accelerating the very change he's trying to prevent? Let's dig deeper. Implications for the global economy. Trump's warning could have unintended consequences. By threatening tariffs, he might push BRICS nations to double down on their efforts, accelerating the creation of an alternative system. This tension could lead to faster development of decentralized and digital financial ecosystems as countries seek to protect themselves from US influence. On the flip side, it also highlights the urgency for the US to innovate. To maintain its leadership, the US may need to embrace digital currencies, explore new financial technologies, and leverage resources like gold to back its systems. How does this connect to digital assets? This brewing currency conflict aligns perfectly with the rise of blockchain and decentralized finance. Neutral digital assets like XRP could emerge as a bridge, facilitating cross-border trade without reliance on any single nation's currency. As BRICS and the US clash, blockchain technology may offer the neutral ground everyone needs to ensure global trade flows remain efficient. This standoff between BRICS and the US isn't just about politics, it's about the future of money as we know it. The ripple effects of this conflict could redefine financial systems for decades to come. Whether through tariffs, alliances, or technology, the world is moving closer to a financial evolution that will impact us all. Well, gold has always been a symbol of wealth, but could it now become the backbone of a new financial system? In the realm of global finance, gold is making a powerful comeback. While digital assets and blockchain are grabbing headlines, gold remains a timeless anchor in the ever-evolving financial landscape. One group leading this charge is the BRICS nations. Over the last decade, BRICS has quietly yet aggressively outpaced the United States in gold accumulation. This trend isn't random, it's a calculated response to vulnerabilities exposed by the 2008 financial crisis. Why gold and why now? Since 2010, BRICS countries have been steadily stockpiling gold, recognizing its role as a stable, tangible asset in times of economic uncertainty. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed at will, gold holds intrinsic value. This makes it a key tool for countries seeking to shield themselves from the volatility of a debt-based financial system dominated by the US dollar. What does this growing gold reserve mean for the future of money? Could BRICS be building the foundation for a new gold-backed currency? A strategic move against the US dollar. By accumulating gold, BRICS is signaling a shift away from reliance on the US dollar in international trade. Gold provides a hedge against currency devaluation and geopolitical risks, giving BRICS nations a stronger position in negotiating their economic future. In contrast, the US has remained focused on its debt-driven monetary policies, leaving it vulnerable as BRICS solidifies its financial independence. How does this impact the global financial system? Gold's resurgence could redefine the rules of international trade. If BRICS nations succeed in integrating gold into a new currency system, it could weaken the US dollar's dominance and pave the way for alternative trade frameworks. Additionally, a gold-backed currency would naturally align with blockchain technology. Digital platforms could tokenize gold, allowing for seamless, traceable transactions while maintaining the asset's inherent value. Is this the dawn of a new financial era, where digital assets and gold combine to rewrite global trade rules? As BRICS continues to stockpile gold and explore new financial systems, the rest of the world is left with a crucial decision: adapt to these changes or risk being left behind. The role of gold, once thought to be outdated, is proving to be more relevant than ever in shaping the future of money. Why are central banks hoarding gold while racing to develop digital currencies? The answer could redefine the global financial system. Across the globe, central banks are actively preparing for the next big leap in finance: central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. These digital versions of fiat currencies promise to revolutionize the way money flows, offering speed, security, and efficiency. But here's the twist: while pushing forward with BED development, central banks are also amassing gold reserves at an unprecedented rate. This raises an important question. Why gold, and why now? Well, gold has always been a safe haven asset, a hedge against economic instability. As CBDCs are set to digitize and modernize money, gold's timeless value offers a counterbalance, a tangible, stable backing to these otherwise intangible currencies. The combination of gold-backed CBDCs could create a hybrid system where the old world of hard assets meets the new world of digital innovation. This isn't just about stability, it's about trust. In a world skeptical of purely digital currencies, gold provides the credibility needed to encourage adoption. Is this the perfect marriage of tradition and technology? Let's explore how XRP fits into this puzzle. XRP as the neutral bridge asset. This evolving system isn't just about gold and CBDCs, about connectivity. As nations digitize their currencies, they'll need a way to facilitate seamless cross-border trade. That's where XRP enters the picture. XRP is uniquely positioned to serve as a neutral bridge asset. Unlike national currencies, it isn't tied to any one country, making it the ideal solution for international transactions. With its speed, scalability, and low costs, XRP can link gold-backed CBDCs across borders, creating an efficient and interconnected financial ecosystem. Why is this setup ideal? By leveraging XRP as the bridge, countries can preserve the sovereignty of their digital currencies while ensuring interoperability. This eliminates the need to rely solely on the US dollar or any single dominant currency, leveling the playing field in global trade. Imagine a world where CBDCs are backed by gold and seamlessly connected by XRP. Could this be the blueprint for the future of finance? As central banks stack gold and finalize their Fed frameworks, the pieces of a new financial system are falling into place. This setup doesn't just hint at innovation, it signals the dawn of a more stable, inclusive, and efficient global economy. The financial system is evolving. Are you ready to take advantage of this transformation? This is the moment where everything changes. The shift to a digital financial system isn't just an idea, it's happening now, and the potential is limitless. We've covered the key developments shaping this revolution, from regulatory clarity to the integration of digital assets like XRP. The future is being built right before our eyes, and the question remains, will you be ready when it arrives? Your perspective matters. What's your take on these changes? Are you already preparing for this new era, or are you still piecing things together? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear from you. Don't wait for the future to arrive. Position yourself to thrive in it starting today. If this video has sparked your interest or provided clarity, don't stop here. Hit the subscribe button and join the community at MO Crypto. Turn on notifications to ensure you stay informed about every major development in the world of digital finance. The journey is just beginning, and there's so much more to uncover. Let's grow and adapt together as we navigate the biggest financial evolution of our time.